Hi, welcome to our channel. My name is Dan. I'm here in the Philippines, on the Island of Bohol. And today I have an unboxing for you. Let's see what this is. Oh, I know what this is. This is a inline instant water heater. Now I don't know how it's going to work. But I haven't had a hot shower in a little over 22 years. You can imagine that. Pretty fancy unit. Brown, blue, and yellow. Wonder which one's hot. Brown, blue, and yellow. Why wouldn't they use red and black? I don't get it. Little instruction manual. It comes with its own breaker cover. There's a little breaker. It's not a ground fault though, I bet. Shower head. Cool. Look at that. It'll be a surprise for Marfie if I can get that hooked up. She doesn't know anything about it. Might even call over the electrician and have him hook it up so it gets done right. And if this works, I want to get a water heater like this for the kitchen, so she can wash with hot water. 20 years and our dishes haven't been washed once with hot water. Temperature range 30 to 55 degrees Celsius. I don't know how hot that is. It sounds hot though. Well, it's a step in the right direction, huh? Little improvements here and there make a big difference. So, I guess that's all I have from the Philippines. Take care and take it easy. Thanks for watching. Take care.